There comes a point in everybody's life where the path of least resistance hits a roadblock or two. There are choices we all face. We can yield and take the high road, or we can choose to tempt fate and go against the grain to seize our day. If you can't hear the voice of reason telling you to find another way, well, there ain't no doubt about it. You might have to go without it. It is what it is. What else is there to say? I will hate your reservation and accept your consternation.